single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Alright guys, so the macaroni and cheese is still in the damn pressure cooker. This is my third time putting it through. The first time I put it on bake for 20 minutes, no, for 25 minutes on low, and that didn't do nothing. It cooked it, but it didn't get all the liquid out. It didn't, like, you know how macaroni and cheese get like thick or whatever. It's still liquid in it. Then I did it again on medium on pressure for 20 minutes, and it still looked the same. So now, bear with me. So now I put it on for 15 minutes on high on pressure cook, and hopefully that'll do something. I don't know. I got it on custom. Maybe I should put it on meat or something. I don't know. But yeah. Alright guys, so it's finally done, and it's nice and cheesy. You know, it's not like your baked macaroni and cheese. I probably could have got it to that consistency if I would have cooked it more, but I'm tired and I want to hurry up and finish this, because I just got a new video game that I want to play. So that's what it looks like. And there you have it.
It has soap still.
Let me wash it up.
That'll be a dope album.
He was mad. What's that soap?
You did set that.
Alright, taste it. You like it, RJ? The macaroni and cheese is good?
Yeah.
What about you, Tyler? What about the chicken?
Ew. Mom, it's still wet. We have to clean it off. Mom, can I get more?
You taste the chicken? Could you get more and you're not even done with what you got? Give me some of your string beans. I know you ain't gonna eat all of them.
Wouldn't this be a banging album or a banging song?
What mine?
Your Money, Jessie Reyes.
Eat some of your string beans,
Hey
Jordan.
Money,
Did you taste it?
Logic,
Taste
Eminem,
it. It's hot.
Easy, YG, and no, what's his other name?
I told you it's hot.
Made
You
it
gotta blow it.
the ultimate.
Is it good, guys, overall? How you like slow cook a mac and cheese? I mean, pressure cooker. It's not like baked mac and cheese, but the flavor's still there.
Yeah. Wouldn't this be a dope album?
Oh, sir. While Chris is establishing your camp, perhaps you can go to the station, see the clerk, then head to see Clay Davies.
That's good.
Of course, a terribly nice one. Then meet Cripps back at your camp. Shortly, boss. Good luck.
That's good. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this type of dinner making video, hit the thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Bye.
Question: how many faking they streams, getting they plays from machines? I can see behind the smoke and mirrors, niggas ain't really big as they seem.